Alright, hi guys, this is Mr. Josephson. I'm going to be your teacher for geometry for the school year, and I just want to introduce myself, tell you welcome to the class, explain a few things. Um, this is my sixth year actually with Another Choice, and the sixth year the school's been open, so I started with this from the beginning, and things have changed dramatically from the beginning. Um, Hopefully for the better. I think we're doing a better job and I think our students are actually able to succeed a lot more than they kind of did at the beginning. So, anyway, welcome to geometry. Um, we'll kind of go over my expectations and what the course is gonna kind of contain. I guess a little bit about me. I went to college first in Lewis Clark at Lewis Clark State College up in Lewiston, Idaho, and I have a business degree from there. And then things kind of weren't working out in business for me, so I went back to school at Boise State and got a math education degree, and um, ended up being a substitute for a year, which was a little crazy, dealing with kids every day in a new classroom, different kids, and you know how they treat substitutes at times, not always nice. But then I got a job with Miss Williams, the principal, at Another Choice, and I've been here, and it's a fantastic job, fantastic place to work, and we have great students. Um, I really like working online with you guys. So I have a couple dogs, two boys at home, a wife. Um, Maybe I'll show you. Well, my dogs are both crashed out on the floor. I don't know even if they'd come to me if I asked. Um, Anyway, that's a little bit about myself. Now to the geometry portion of this. Geometry is it's kind of includes a number of things. You might think it's just about shapes, but it's going to be a little more than that. It's a lot of geometry is learning logic and how to think logically, kind of like a lawyer would to explain, try to prove innocence or guilt in a court of law. They have to do things in order and show that it had to be so and so that killed someone, because they just can't have any doubt. So you have to use logic, and you have to do the same thing in geometry a lot of times, and in math they need to prove that things are true beyond a reasonable doubt. So um, anyway, that's a little bit about, I guess, geometry. It does include some shapes. It's also going to be a bit of practice of algebra concepts you've learned, so that you'll be prepared for Algebra 2 come next year if you decide to take it. Um, it's also going to be some more equations and things to solve for areas and volumes and shapes. So um, that's a little bit about what the course will be like. Um, Expectations. Most of you are juniors and sophomores, and really, I expect that you're getting old enough now to be treated like adults. I assume you'd like to be treated like an adult, respected, and we are equals in this. I'm here to teach you, and you're here to learn. So, my goal is to get you through the course, and your goal should be to get through the course with passing grade, with the expectation that you would want to go to college. So, um, we're going to make that our goal together, and we're going to work hard to get to it. So. As far as treating you as adults, I do expect that work's going to be turned in on time. You're going to stay caught up on your assignments. You're going to communicate clearly. I can't say enough about communication. Communicate with me. Let me know if you're having trouble. If you're struggling, um, I need to know. I can make accommodations for you. I can help you out. We can set up study times, tutoring. There's a number of things I'd like to try to help you out, but if I don't know that you're struggling and you're not doing work, I all I see is a lazy kid, um, because I can't see your face. I can't tell that you're sitting there trying. All I see is that no work's being done because you're frustrated, and you've kind of given up. So please don't give up. Just shoot me an email, shoot me a chat message, text message. Just say I need help. That's all you got to say, and I'll reach out to you and do the hard part. Again, communicate clearly with me when you're struggling, or if you need anything, have any kind of questions. Um, yeah, contacting me. You can email me. You can use Google Hangouts to chat with me. You can text me on my phone. You can call me on my phone. My number is 208-546-9858. Please go ahead and give me a call if you are struggling with any of your schoolwork, and we'll help you out with that. I think that's all right now for the course. I guess a little bit about what you're going to be. Most of your assignments, so you should be looking at 3 to 4 um, things per week. Um, you will also be required to take notes. It's shown that students that take notes actually do much better than students who do not. You'll get a better grade, and you'll be more successful after geometry as well, even if you think you might not be doing this. Like I said, I went to business school first and never dreamed I'd have been a math teacher, but I ended up going back to school and needing a lot of math, and I wish I'd have paid attention a little more early on. I had to retake some courses because I didn't do so well when I took them in business school. So um, anyway, good luck with the course. If you have any questions, please again reach out to me. You can use GradPoint up at the top under Communication tab to shoot me an email from there, or you can go to your Gmail and start typing in Mr. Josephson, and my name should pop up, Ryan Josephson. So let me know how things are going, and we'll be in touch. I'll check in from time to time and make sure you're doing all right. Good luck.